How are you doing, my friends? This is Uncle Frank again. A few days ago I posted a video with a mashup between Sonic the Hedgehog and Blue from Rainbow Friends. But as it was a time lapse, my son asked me if I could make it a bit slower, and I decided to make a tutorial this time. So brace yourselves and let's get ready to another tutorial on Hello everyone, like I said before, this is Uncle Frank, and I'm gonna teach you how to draw a mashup between Sonic and Blue from Rainbow Friends. And the basis for Sonic is going to be two circles, a bigger one for the head and a smaller one for his body, like this. And before we do anything, I would like to ask you guys to like the video, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell. It's gonna help the channel grow and it's gonna make me very happy. Thanks a lot, your company is always appreciated. And as Sonic is gonna have a 3/4 view this time, I'm gonna divide the circles with a line which is slightly turned to the right. His legs are gonna be two parallel lines for each. And at the end we're going to interrupt them with the socks. Okay, this is the limit for the legs. We're gonna do the same to the other one. It's like a small cylinder, or if you will, a small rectangle at the end of his legs. The first shoe is going to be turned to our direction, so it's going to be very short like this. And the other shoe is going to be turned to the side, so let's make it in the original size. It's going to be longer. And you can make the soles for these shoes if you want now. Okay, let's work on any details later. Now let's take a look at the face, and so slightly below the middle of the upper circle we're going to place a mark, and that's going to be the nose. And then let's make something like a clown smile from one side of the circle to the other. Now we're going to draw his smirk with a line and a very simple smile, and then we're gonna draw his drool over here. From this point of his face I'm going to draw an oval, and his eye is gonna be really big. So I'm drawing a line here just so I have a good idea of the size of his eyes. Don't worry, the eye that you can see on the right is not going to be used. I'm going to draw it now, but just to have a reference and feel more comfortable about doing the rest. It's going to be covered by a button. 2 ovals for the eyes, but just for now. Another oval inside. And then we can work on the eyebrows. So just a curve for this one. And from this eyebrow we can start pulling his first spike on his back. It can be really big. And then it's gonna look just like a shark fin. And let's draw another one. So until the end of his back we're gonna have 4 spikes in total. Okay, so there we have it, and his tail. So like I said before, we're not necessarily going to use this eye because there's gonna be a button in its place. So I'm just going to make the oval and place another oval inside. Four dots, and by connecting them I make an X. So that's gonna be a triangular shape for the first ear with another triangle inside, and the other one's gonna look like a leaf, but it's still a triangular shape with another triangle inside. Now I'm gonna start shaping his belly, and he's gonna be waving at us when that's gonna be just the beginning of his hand, with something that looks like a pipe. I'm going to form his arm. And his hand, I'm going to make it in a very simple way. It's not going to be fully showing. So that's going to be a polygon. It's going to be usually a square, and then I have to make the fingers, but I have to make the fingers in the right direction. And here we just draw his palm. Fine. For the other hand, it's just gonna be extended, so the arm is gonna go up to his waist, and then we make a half circle so you can start drawing his hand. So this time I decided to make his thumb first, and then I mark the lines just for the basic shape of his hand, which is gonna be like a trapeze. Then I can make the fingers, and now all we have to do is make the crown. No matter how simple it is, Blue's original crown is not very elaborate, so now let's use the marker and cover the external lines. This drawing is gonna be mixed media, and I'm gonna use colored pencil for some areas and brush pen for others. Especially because I find the colors for his belly and arms a bit pastel. They are not very vivid. And that's it, my friends. Our mashup is ready. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial, and I hope you have learned something nice. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.